Hello and welcome to the Shortly app. In this video, I'll guide you about how to create a trackable link with discount using Shortly. It's super simple. Let's dive in. Open the Shortly app in Shopify's admin panel. Here in the landing page URL field, place the URL of the page you want the customer to land on. Now choose your default domain in case you have multiple domains. In the custom alias, write any name just to distinguish the link. Now in order to add a discount, click on Discount option here. Discount can be created in 3 ways. You can either use the coupons that are already created in Shopify and discount section here, or a percentage, or a fixed amount. For the percentage and fixed amount, the coupons are created by our app instead of using the ones already created in Shopify. Now, click on Create Link, and that's it. Your trackable link is created. Let's check whether it works or not. You can see the discount bar has appeared here. The text, color, and position of this bar can be changed from Settings option in the app. Perform some activity on your store. You can see the discount we created have been applied at checkout. Now go back to the app. Open the Analytics section. And you can see all the activity you performed is shown here. Thanks for watching.